The restoration of an old building for a mall is taking place here. Our part of the work is to insulate the existing flat roof by pouring monolithic foam concrete. We use the highest quality cement and our patented formula for foam producing concrete. This is part of the equipment. In the barrels, a solution of protein foaming agent. Hoses are used to supply the necessary components to the roof to foam mixing concrete directly at the pouring site. That is, the advantage of our foam concrete over the usual standard one is that it is prepared not below on the ground, but on the roof. This is done so that there are as many air bubbles as possible in it. The more air cells, air chambers, the warmer the material as a result. And if the finished foam concrete was fed from below through the hose, then a lot of bubbles would burst. And, as a result, the foam concrete would no longer be as warm as this one, ours. Then we fill in the second layer under the soft melted roof, with denser D600 foam concrete 5 cm thick. The first layer is 20 cm thick with the D200 brand. It is 3 times lighter. Look, if you walk on it, it is slightly squeezed, but this does not in any way affect its thermophysical properties. Therefore, when insulating flat roofs, it is always necessary to make the screed from above with denser foam concrete. This is a part of the equipment of our production, in which the components are mixed to obtain ready-made foam concrete at the output. This unit receives a special solution, protein foaming agent and air. That is why our aerated concrete is more efficient than that which from other manufacturers is supplied to the place of pouring ready-made through a long hose. We are asked a lot of questions about how well the formation of slopes with foam concrete on flat roofs is obtained. Everything is pretty simple and easy to do at this facility. For the convenience of leveling foam concrete, we installed heights from a galvanized profile. Look, here the roof slope is 10 meters. The difference between the top and bottom points is 1.10 meters. So a roof slope of 10 centimeters per meter is generally simple. Further, after our work with foam concrete, roofers will overlay bitumen waterproofing. But this is already a rather banal and well-known process. We are at your service for effective, reliable, economical and durable insulation of a flat roof with our high-quality monolithic foam concrete. If you are interested in equipment for the production of such a high-quality and effective monolithic foam concrete, so that you can provide services for the insulation of roofs, ceilings, floors, contact, call, write, ask your questions. We are in touch by phone and in messengers on any day from 8:00 to 20:00.